Hey everyone, I'll be walking you through on how to fix a leaky distributor on an SC300. Same steps apply with any 2JZ and 1JZ engine. First, we have to remove the ground battery terminal and unclip this electrical clip. Loosen 3 8mm screws holding the distributor cap in place. Next, you can unclip all 7 distributor wires. Usually they have the numbers labeled on them, so you don't need to worry about the order. Remove the cap and place it to the side. As you can tell, my distributor has been leaking for a while. Next, we're going to locate and mark the exact position of the main 12mm bolt holding the distributor to the engine. It's crucial that you mark the exact position of the bolt to keep your timing. I punched some lines into the metal to mark it, but you can mark it any way you want. Now we can mark the position of the rotor. I marked it with a silver Sharpie. This is important because we can mess up your engine's timing even if not reinstalled the proper way. By putting a mark, you can reinstall it in the exact location it was. Next, you can slowly remove the distributor. You're going to need to turn it to a certain angle to be able to get it out. That's the O-ring that's causing it to leak. Let's get the distributor all cleaned up so that there's no more residue. I ended up removing the shroud to get a deeper clean. Now we can start to remove the O-rings. Be careful not to damage or nick the metal when removing the O-rings. I usually like getting parts from Toyota since they're the most reliable. As you can see, the old O-ring was brittle and worn. With the smaller O-ring, apply a little oil so it can be installed easier. Don't force it on or cut it with a gear. Slide it in at the right angle. It should go in with ease. To reinstall the distributor, we're going to have to slightly rotate the rotor counterclockwise. These are hexagonal gears that slightly rotate when fully inserted. Don't forget to apply a little oil to the gear as well. As you can see, when reinstalling, the rotor slightly rotated clockwise, meeting the exact mark we put with the Sharpie. We can now match up the marks on the bolt and tighten down to your exact marks. Next, we can replace the rotor. Remove 2 Phillips head screws. Finish cleaning all the oil residue on your cap and plug wires. I didn't think to get a new cap, but taking a look, I'm going to be replacing it too. Retighten the 3 8mm cap screws. Reattach your clean wires to the designated cylinder number that is labeled on both cap and wires. Reattach the ground terminal on your battery and start your car up. If you did it correctly, your engine should feel like the same slow engine like it did before this repair. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thanks.